Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. I'm so excited to share these crafts with you. I wanted to say if you're new here, hit that red subscribe button. I've got a ton of holiday stuff coming up, hauls, easy recipes, stuff you can do with your kids. I like to keep it super simple here. Kind of the concept of my channel is easy projects to make your life fun and festive without going crazy. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I can't wait to get into these videos. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing something really fun today. My daughter and I are doing some Halloween crafts. We've got 3 different projects we're doing. Each one uses stuff that you likely already have at home. If you don't, it's really easy to substitute. For example, I use paint, like some handprints. If you don't want to use paint with your kids, you could like trace their hand. A lot of ways to customize this. I just wanted to share these ideas. We're making these and then we're gonna send them to family and friends that we won't be seeing at Halloween because of COVID that we would normally be seeing. So it's like a nice little keepsake. I'm gonna put the year on each one. Really simple, let's get started. For our first project here, I'm gonna take some apples and I'm gonna cut some slices and I'm gonna actually use that as a stamper. Let my daughter put it into some orange craft paint and then like stamp it around the construction paper to look like pumpkins. So for our next craft, this is really cute and easy. I cut out these little guys from black construction paper. They kind of look like gingerbread men. And then I'm gonna cut some strips of this white tape. Any kind of tape would really work. And then I'm gonna let my daughter put the tape all different kinds of ways on the figures. I'll trim it up and we'll have mummies and then we'll add some Google eyes. Really cute, really quick. Now this is what it looks like when she's all done, and then you just turn it over and trim off the excess, and then you'll get something like that. We're gonna glue on some Google eyes now to really make it be known that it's a little guy. If you don't have Google eyes, you could draw on eyes, you could make eyes out of construction paper or whatever. And this is what they look like all done. I think they are super cute. I'll probably write the year on the back of them as a nice little keepsake. Really easy and really fun. Okay, so this is our messiest craft by far. I've got some black craft paint. I'm gonna put it on a paper plate. I'm gonna let my daughter put her hand in the plate, and then we're gonna do little handprints side by side to make a spider shape. Bear with me. So this is what it looks like. We just did 2 handprints, and now we're gonna add like googly eyes and maybe draw a spider web and add the year. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought, if you're gonna try some of these, if you have some craft ideas. My daughter and I love doing arts and crafts. If you've been to my channel, that's no surprise to you. So I love new ideas, let us know. Hit the red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss my future videos. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. I've got a lot of fun Thanksgiving stuff, a lot of Thanksgiving crafts for the little ones. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.